I'm fucking with this, y'all.
Give it a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won.
Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with the Beauty Glazed Sunset Dusk palette in the color Ginger, and I'll be using this obviously as my transition shade. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette with this orange color and putting this into my crease. And a lot of people always ask me, Natasha, how do you get your shadows so popping, girl? Like, how are they so bright? And honestly, the key is put a lot on. Like, pack your shadows until they're as bright as you want them to be. Okay, you guys can see it's not as bright right now, but once I start adding more and more and more shadow, it just, you know, gets brighter. I know you guys have heard this before, but another key to get your shadows to look good is blend. So sit there and take the time to blend out your shadows so they look good and seamless, okay? And if you guys can see the difference in using a lot of shadows and then a minimum amount. Now I'm going to be going in with that yellow from the Beauty Glaze palette and just putting a little bit more on there to blend it out to make it look a little bit more seamless, so it's not like a barrier between the yellow and the orange. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Addiction Vintage palette in the color Amber, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of this and putting it in between the yellow and the orange just to make it even more seamless. Okay, I'm sorry you guys, I'm a perfectionist, so if you're trying to recreate this look, you can skip this part. Now going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette in the color Zobo, I'm going to be putting this on my outer and inner corner to start creating that halo effect without cutting the crease yet. And in order to create this look the way that I wanted to, you really have to pack the shadows and then blend. So literally what I'll be doing for the next few minutes is packing and blending. And as you guys can see, I'm switching the brushes just so I can pack with a smaller brush and then blend with a little bit more fluffier brush. Just so the colors don't fade, I'm going to be putting that orange from the Morphe 35B palette back into my crease. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand, I'm going to be cutting my crease. And this is the hardest step in the world, for me at least. Like, I don't know what it is about halo eyes, but they're so hard to me. So it's beyond me why I chose to do this look on camera for you guys, but I guess I gotta start somewhere, right? Taking a small pencil brush, I'm going to be going back in with that color Zobu from the Masquerade palette and putting that in between where I cut my crease at to give it more dimension. To make my eyes pop even more, I'm going to be taking a brown color, a dark brown, and then a dark purple, and mixing those together and then placing those in the same spots that I placed the Zobu color. And I'm sorry, I don't know where the film went for this part, and I don't remember the shadows I used, so literally just use any that you have that work good. Like I said, this is giving it some more dimension and making the eyes pop even more. Now going into my Noia palette, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm taking that light pink color and I'm placing that on the concealer so we can get some color going on. Taking my Makeup Addiction iridescent glitter in the color Cinderella, I'm just going to be placing this on top of my crease, or where I cut my crease at. And you guys, this glitter is so cute. Oh my god. Seriously, I've been waiting to get some glitter like this, but I just didn't know where to get it from. So shout out to Makeup Addiction Cosmetics for sending me this, because it is the bomb, okay? First things first, to get into this face, and I'm going to be moisturizing with the Bon Vitae Skin Oil, and I love it! Now taking my two favorite foundations at the moment, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and then the Maybelline Super Stay. I'm going to be buffing this in with my Makeup Shack foundation brush, and then I'll be leaving all like the specific details about everything in the description box down below. And don't worry you guys, I did prime, I just can't find the clip. Now I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and making sure the finish is even more flawless. To conceal, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, okay, concealer, and then I added a little bit of the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer as well. Today we are highlighting with the Milani contour stick. It's been my favorite as of recently. I've been having it forever, but girl, I don't know why I haven't been using it more often. And then I'm going to be blending out with one of my Be Fearless cosmetic brushes. Like I said, I'll be leaving all the details in the description. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Mercier translucent setting powder. And honestly, you guys, I think I should do a in-depth foundation routine, because no lie, my skin is looking amazing. So why not? Okay, if y'all are interested in that, let me know. And to contour my face, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. contour palette, and this is actually my first time using this, and I actually love it so much, especially for the winter time right now, because it has cool tones, and my skin definitely needs them cool tones, because I'm out here looking orange and it's winter time. No. Now onto my favorite part, highlighting my face with the Posh Cosmetics highlighter in Glow Bunny, and this stuff is so good, you guys. Like, you seriously need to go get their highlighters. Don't matter the color, they are amazing. I'm super extra, so I'm gonna keep going with the highlight. After I film this, I continue to add more. I need to be stopped, but you know, who's really gonna stop me? Congratulations, sis. You're really glowing. You are doing the damn thing. Now I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. The lashes I'm going to be wearing today are from a company called Hustle and Glow, and they're in the style Molly. And the gloss that I'm wearing is also from them in the color Sultana. And I do have a coupon code for you guys that will be in the description box down below. Alright loves, this is the end of this look. I hope y'all love it as much as I do. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.